Maintaining heart health is essential, and certain oils can play a significant role in keeping your arteries clear. Let's dive into 5 oils, backed by science, that help prevent artery clogging. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, which lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. This balance helps keep arteries clear. Research published in the New England Journal of Medicine shows that olive oil significantly reduces the risk of heart disease by preventing plaque buildup. Fish oil is well known for its omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels. These benefits help keep your arteries free from blockages. The American Heart Association has shown that fish oil reduces plaque and lowers the risk of heart disease. Flaxseed oil contains alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 that lowers LDL cholesterol and reduces inflammation, helping prevent artery clogging. A study in the Journal of Nutrition confirms that flaxseed oil supports overall heart health by lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, avocado oil works to reduce cholesterol and prevent the buildup of arterial plaque. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular consumption of avocado oil helps lower LDL cholesterol, keeping arteries healthy. Walnut oil is full of omega-3s and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and improve artery health. Studies in circulation reveal that walnut oil enhances endothelial function, ensuring arteries remain flexible and clear. While these oils can improve heart and artery health, always consult with a doctor before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Medical disclaimer: always consult a doctor before using oils for heart health, especially if you have medical conditions or are on medication.